Hey Sneaker fan, welcome back to HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the legendary new Venice 9060 Black Crystal Rock Grey, a true icon in the sneaker game. Before we jump in, a quick shout out to our official sponsor, PantherBuy.com. If you are ever want to shop from China and source the hottest fashion, sneakers or unique gadget, but you didn't know where to start, PantherBuy is your answer. They are just not an online store; they are shopping agent. That means they buy for you from trusted Chinese marketplace like Taobao, Alibaba, and 16088.com. Handle quality checks and ship straight to your door. From sneaker to streetwear to tech, home good, and accessories, they got it all. And here is the kicker. New user get 3 products completely free. You just pay for shipping and the item is yours to keep. You also get quality control photos before your order ship. Plus the option to combine multiple items into one shipment save your delivery cost. Shipping typically takes 2 to 3 weeks and their flight calculate show you costs upfront. They even have a Discord community where you can connect with other shoppers, share deals, and get exclusive buy teams. All the link including the website and Discord are available in the description below. You can also sign up for $300 discount and grab my favorite product sheet in my channel bio. Alright, let's go to unboxing with some great music.